Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. Today we will learn how to use Maverick's real-time and interactive relighting tool, the Lightmixer. For this tutorial we will use one of the artificial lighting ambience presets. This preset for example. As you can see from the lights panel, the scene now has 4 lights. Let's disable and enable them to see what their impact on the scene is. The remaining illumination comes from the environment. While disabling then enabling the lights, you can see that each time the render restarts from scratch. Lightmixer can alleviate this particular problem by doing all this while the render keeps going, with no restart or interruption. But first let's activate the ultra-fast plus denoiser rendering preset. Go to the Lightmixer tab, and engage it by clicking on this button. The Lightmixer tool automatically detects the scene lights, and activates the corresponding number of channels. You can use the Lightmixer real-time relighting with up to 8 channels, plus the environment and the sun. Clicking on this icon will mute all channels, which is equivalent to turning off the lights. Unmute the environment channel, to see how Lightmixer instantaneously allows to edit lighting. If you change the environment channel's power slider now, its intensity updates in real time. You don't need to render again anymore. Unmute the first channel now. Try and edit its power slider as well. You can even change the light's color, without re-rendering again. Let's give it a warmer color for example. Now let's unmute the second channel, and change its power. Change its color as well, for example for a cooler shade. And the third and fourth channels, again editing their properties as you see fit. Once you are happy with your results, you can consolidate your changes. By clicking the Bake to Scene button, the actual Lightmixer parameters will be baked into the scene lights. This will automatically reset and disable the Lightmixer. Consolidate now by pressing the Bake to Scene button. This action cannot be undone, so Maverick will ask you to confirm before applying the changes. The render has restarted, and as you can see it looks exactly like the changes we did in the Lightmixer tool. Select one of the lights, and you can notice in the attribute editor that the Lightmixer parameters have been transported to the lights. This means that if you save the scene and load it later, it will now render as your Lightmixer setup. Now if you engage the Lightmixer again, all the parameters are defaulted. And if you edit channels, the changes are adding up to the existing lights, their intensities and their colors. You can consolidate the changes back to the scene again, and so on. Let's take a look at a practical example, like the appliance sample scene that comes with Maverick. You can see from the lights panel that this scene has IBL enabled and 3 light sources. Let's delete them. Change the IBL orientation, and create a new light using the knowledge you acquired from the lights tutorial, using the normal light tool for example. With the normal light tool still enabled, add another light. Do you remember how to easily exit the normal light tool? If not, be sure to check the lights tutorial linked at the top right corner of this video. Go to the Lightmixer panel and engage it. The environment and our 2 lights are automatically enabled for light mixing. Edit the channels as it pleases you. Change the power or the colors to your liking. When you're done, press the Consolidate button to save the current Lightmixer settings to the actual scene lights. Lightmixer is now disabled, and our scene lights properties have been changed to reflect the Lightmixer edits. Lightmixer is yet another very powerful feature to adjust your lighting setup without waiting for your changes to converge to a clean render. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.